It's a dream ring, that's all I'm gonna say. They probably think that we're going to Bled.
It's built into the rail. View. Look at that. Beautiful city of Piran, Slovenia.
It's like 10 people swimming.
Voila. You eat it all tonight.
Sometimes I wish the portion was a bit bigger, to be honest. I don't remember this many rocks.
It's full of people. Oh my gosh, like we don't have enough to get back. Today we're going on our first trip as an engaged couple. My parents are in town and we're taking them to Piran, Slovenia, the beautiful coast of Slovenia. So right now we're going to get the rental car and then we will be in Piran hopefully by 11.
Probably, yeah.
11:15. And it's gonna be a beautiful day. As you can see, we just stepped into the sun. It's perfect weather.
We'll show them the ring.
Oh, let's see
We'll turn right here.
Let's see the ring. Let's see the ring. Ooh, look at that sparkle.
It's a, I don't know, I need some more time. It's a dream ring, that's all I'm gonna say. Right?
Yeah. Yesterday was the engagement.
Yeah.
What an emotional day, really.
We're all crying.
It was so emotional. I couldn't hold it together, I'm not gonna lie. I could not hold it together. I was crying from the moment we, up this way, the moment we stepped into the surprise. I was really bawling.
I had no idea at first what was happening. I didn't really think much of it, but then I knew when you started crying, I was like, oh, it's happening.
Yeah, I saw her face and that was it for me. Her surprised face that turned quickly into emotion.
Yeah.
I couldn't hold it together after I saw that.
That was the best thing ever.
And then we spent the nice day with our families.
Our whole family. Yeah.
Going to Jurman, which is a nice Slovenian restaurant here. It's about 15 minutes from center.
From the center,
Yeah, 15 minutes from the center. And it was perfect. Then we went to Lake Gible.
Zbiljsko jezero, Lake
Zbilje.
which was also maybe 20 minutes away
Yeah.
from the center, something
Yeah.
like that.
Past Midvode.
Yeah.
And
You remember that?
yeah, it was like right there. It was perfect. It was a sunny day. Swans, belly bold were everywhere. So it was really beautiful. Ducks. Yeah, it was
so nice.
It was amazing. Let's go this way. So anyways, we're on the way to Piran and we can't wait to show you. Let's go.
Let's go. Come with us.
Ready? Let's go. If you want to consider helping out the channel, make sure you scan the QR code right here on the screen. It's going to help us to bring you everything about our lives. We really want to show you the whole world. So if you want to consider helping out the channel, make sure you scan this QR code. Thanks so much. Let's get back to the video. Cheers. Okay, we just got in the car. This car is from Avant to Go. We love this app. No, this isn't sponsored. If you're seeing this and you work at Avant to Go, we would love to work with you.
Yeah.
But these cars are great. The app's easy to use. There's plenty of cars. They're really nice and clean. We're currently in a Peugeot 208, I think, but it's super clean, super nice. As you can see, here's the back row.
It's spacious. It's enough for 5 people.
Yeah. It's great. It's great. So now let's go.
So today, as Aaron told you, we're taking his parents to Piran. They've never been there, so it's gonna be their first time. I don't think they know that we're going there. They probably think that we're going to Bled, and they've never been there either. So hopefully it's gonna be nice weather, because I feel like it really needs to be sunny there for everything to look nice, I guess. Oh yeah, I have a question for you. What do you think? What is the good place to take them for their first time ever being in Slovenia, out of Ljubljana? Where else could we take them? That would be a good place, because we were thinking of Bled and Piran. We wanted to go to Kranjska Gora yesterday, but it was too late, so we just went to Lake Zbilje, which was really nice, and I'm glad that we chose that option. But yeah, I feel like Piran is just the coast that we need to show
Yeah.
to them so they can see how it looks like, and it's really nice. Great food. Well, tourist place, but whatever. It's nice. So let us know down in the comments if you have any possible suggestions. Thank you so much. Oh!
Turn left onto Visca Cesta.
Visca Cesta.
Visca Cesta is Visca Cesta.
Visca.
That's funny.
Okay, we just got to the parking spot. We first went to the last garage we ever went to in Piran. Oh, here's the view, by the way, right behind us. We first went there, but I didn't have signal to lock the vehicle. So it's funny, I didn't even realize that would be a problem. But now we're at a better spot, and it's sunny and it's perfect, and we have views.
It's so nice.
It's so nice, yeah. We have views for days, yeah. Look at this. Wow. Piran. So anyways, we're about to go into the city, and we're gonna take you with us. Let's go. Hey, just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on notification bell. Yeah. So this is the ride, by the way. It's really nice inside. It's a bit tight in the back for 3 people, but you can absolutely make it work for a quick day trip. No one is complaining when you go to a really nice location.
Yeah,
so, you ready?
Yeah.
Well, let's go.
Let's go.
Look at that bench. It's built into the rail.
I've never
So
seen something like that.
you literally sit over this. That's crazy. But you got the view. Look at this view. Wow.
This is so high.
Look at the view. Look at, oh, she showed the ring. Oh. Oh. Oh, and then look at this. There's a ton of metal. There's a ton of metal to hold the rocks from falling down. As you can see. And then this place is stunning. I mean, look at this water. This is why we love Piran. The Slovenian coast is slept on. It's so amazing. If you're looking to go to the beach and you're traveling in Slovenia, you don't have to go to Croatia. You can stay right here in Slovenia. Obviously, Croatia has amazing beaches too, but they're both on the Adriatic, which is this. So it is stunning. Look how beautiful it is. It's a beautiful, clear day. There is the beautiful city of Piran, Slovenia. So we're on our way now, but check out this beach. Some pebbles. This is a normal beach in Slovenia and in Croatia. It's not sand like I'm used to from the US. Anyways, cheers. Wow. But this is where we ate too. Sunset here, whew, when we were here was amazing. Look at the cliff right here. That's where we parked over there. We parked over here. You can see the cliff, the drop off. And then here's the, yeah, where remember the netting, well the netting on that rock. And here's the restaurant, Pavo. We've eaten here before. Oh, actually it's here. We've eaten here before, it's great. Any thoughts?
I'm so excited. I didn't know there was gonna be people swimming here in the middle of October.
Middle of October, yeah.
It's quite a lot. It's like 10 people swimming, just enjoying their time in the water.
Yeah.
A lot of people in the cafes and restaurants right now. It's all like 1 p.m.
Yeah, 1 p.m.
It's just so nice. It's quiet. It's peaceful. It's so many people, but it's not like it
Not
doesn't.
too much.
Yeah, it's not too much.
Yeah.
It's not disturbing. We can just walk around, have a nice walk, find something good to eat. Hopefully something like seafood. Oh,
Seafood, yeah.
I love seafood. It's the best thing ever.
Yeah.
It really is.
But it's actually so much busier now than it was when we came here in May.
We were in May?
Yeah, we're in the middle of May. If you haven't seen that video, it's all about Piran, so check it out. It's not a vlog. It's a little different. I'll let you look that up.
Yeah.
But yeah, we were in Piran in May.
It was freezing.
It was cold.
That.
It was cold, yeah.
Yeah.
But we enjoyed ice creams, and it was quieter here. Again, not as many people. It wasn't as warm with the sun, and no one was swimming.
Yeah.
There was no swimmers at this time. It was still really cold, the water. But apparently now, I mean, it's actually kind of hot.
Oh, it's
had a
really
sweat.
hot. I was not prepared for this kind of weather.
Yeah, I have a sweat going right now. We're about to eat.
Yeah.
Let's eat. Oh yeah. Corredo, yeah. Hola. Let's go to this side, yeah. Voilà.
Gumbo salads.
Voilà.
Number 2.
Voilà.
Very good.
Couple months.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I hope I'm the last to eat it.
What is it?
You eat it off the knife. You did the same thing with the ribs and bacon.
Really?
Yeah,
I mean, I can eat with left,
sure.
because then I'm really weird.
You can't eat what?
I can eat with left hand, but I need knife so I can help myself.
Добре.
Yes.
For YouTube? You gonna get here for the YouTube or no? Just back and forth, back and forth. Yeah. Okay, we just had dinner. We just had lunch at Pavo here in Piran, and this is our review. Go ahead.
It was really good. We've been here
For
twice now?
twice, yeah.
Last year and this year. It's good. They have fish. They have also meat, different meat types, but it's not really. The point here is to get seafood. That's like the main thing.
Yeah.
So people get sea bream, which is orada, agavongole. It's really good. Sometimes I wish the portion was a bit bigger, to be honest. But it's good. I mean, they're always really nice. The waiters, the last year or this year from May. This time we had a different waiter. He was also really nice. So it just makes the whole atmosphere really nice and calm and
fun. Yeah.
Fun, yeah. So it's really nice.
Yeah.
It's always full of people.
Always busy.
Yeah. It's more expensive because it's like the tourist, one of the most touristy places, right? I mean, everyone goes here, kind of.
Yeah.
But if you want to eat something good, especially seafood, it's definitely good to come here at least once just to get the experience.
Yeah. Yeah, so delicious food. If you're in Piran, look for Pavo. It's amazing. You won't regret it. And again, maybe you're paying a bit more, but the wait staff makes it worth it, and the food is worth it as well.
True.
So yeah. Oh, and good,
It's really
good
hard
coffee.
to see.
Yeah, it's really bright
Sun
right
is shining.
now. Look right here. Bam! So anyways, that is Pavo. Let's keep going. Let's go. This city is so beautiful. Look at the buildings. Look at the buildings. Look at the church. This one's right on the point. Just crazy. It's right on the point, and it's built 500 years ago at least. Might be even older. But anyways, this is Piran. So beautiful.
I was staring at this beach. It doesn't really look like. I don't remember this many rocks.
It's just all rocks. All rock
Yeah,
beach.
but as far as I remember, it has more of a. What is it?
I was just thinking about the basketball with the view.
Smaller rocks.
Oh, pebbles.
I guess pebbles, but this is kind of different than I remember.
Look at the basketball goal. The street's just full of these winding paths where the sun really sneaks through. Like, look at this one. Doesn't even lead anywhere, really. And then you turn this way, and it's just full of colors, and it's really picturesque. Something different, like look at this little alley. Leads who knows where. It's like if an ant created a city. This city is so beautiful. I don't know if you can hear me right now because of the wind. It's really windy. But this city is stunning. I mean, this old square here, it's full of people. It's really, really nice. And it's also so sunny. I'm sure you can tell on the screen because you probably can't see anything. But look at this. Piran. A beautiful little city. It used to be Venetian. It was Venetian, and then it was Austro-Hungarian, and now it's Slovenian. So it has had a lot of changes over the years. And that's what brings this unique vibe to Piran. This actually, where we're standing, used to all be underwater. It used to be part of the harbor, and now they've turned it into a beautiful, beautiful square. And I think that's a long time ago. But yeah, it's really such an interesting city with a lot of character. So if you're looking for something unique, beautiful on the coast, amazing weather, Piran is the spot. Now, let's go to the church on top. Cheers. really pretty, huh? It is pretty. It's beautiful.
Somebody's over top of that tower.
Oh. Is it a video?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So what are you thinking?
Nice view, as always. It's warm. It's hot, actually.
Yes.
It's got wind, so it's nice. Let me show you the view.
Yeah, you can look at that church.
Can you move it a little bit? Thank you.
Wow. It's even more beautiful than I remember. Pietro and I came here in May for the first time together, and we saw all of this, and still it's just so stunning. Look at this right here. This is Italy, right across from us. This is Trieste, Italy here. Just look how beautiful. You can also see like the sailboats here on the left. Let me see if you can see one. That sailboat there on the left side, right in the middle of the screen. You can see how big this piece of water is just by looking at that sailboat. It's really huge. And like, wow. Jeez. Yeah, this is it. Stunning. It's really just stunning. You can see how big that barge ship is in the middle of the screen, right at the edge of the water on the coast. And you can tell how big this piece of water is. But yeah, this is Trieste, Italy, from Piran, Slovenia. Croatia, Italy. Look at this, not a single cloud in the sky. I mean, it's truly the perfect day. And look at this square. It's just full of people everywhere. Look how big. It's like one of these big classic European squares. It's so beautiful. Up top, there's Svetiga Jurija, which is Cerkal Svetiga Jurija, which is the Church of St. George. It's really something special. And now we're going for an ice cream. But yeah, Piran, amazing place. Amazing place. Oh, let's go.
And Maxi King.
Okay, we are leaving Piran. It has been a quick 5 hours, but we've seen everything. This city is perfect for a day trip. They also have a lot of really nice Airbnbs, so we could also do it overnight like we did before. We didn't really miss anything, I don't think. It would have been nicer to move a little bit slower, to relax at a cafe for a long time. We're out of breath. But it was nice to actually enjoy a nice lunch. We sat there for 2.5 hours. We were there for a long time, which was really nice and relaxing. So no complaints. Amazing city. Amazing city. And we're so thankful that we're able to come here and bring my parents for the first time to Piran and Grandma. They really loved it. Like they really, really loved it. So we're leaving now back to Ljubljana. We're gonna grab dinner, walk around the city, and just show them what Ljubljana has to offer. So let's go. Okay, so we were driving back and we didn't realize that we were gonna run out of battery. So, well, first off, the car's battery like just completely collapsed. When we left Piran, we had an extra 40 kilometers going back to Slovenia, so we had plenty, or back to Ljubljana, so we had plenty of energy. And then we sat in traffic for a while. We got out and we're like, oh my gosh, like we don't have enough to get back. And so now we're downloading apps, so we're trying to figure out how to get the charge going, and I think we got it. I think we got it. It's charging. Bam, we're charged up.
The funny part, it says full charge 4 hours.
4
It's
hours.
like 6 p.m., 7 p.m.
I think we're gonna be here for like, I don't know,
Half an hour?
10 minutes.
Or 10
I don't think we're gonna be
10
here
minutes.
long, yeah. And
We don't need full charge.
we literally just needed enough to get back.
Now it doesn't show anymore the percentage.
Maybe you got to get in and click something. We're gonna check the percentage, but anyways, a little hiccup in the plan. But we're gonna get through it, and we're gonna get back to Ljubljana. Then we're gonna eat dinner. I think we're gonna go to pizza, Pop's Pizza. That's my family's favorite. I took Petra there on our second date.
Long time ago.
Long time ago. So it's a special spot for all of us. And yeah, we're gonna go get some pizza. So, cheers.